Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kianut Rangïalehkai bakensai ke Jela kata Ronaldi dhar na West Jaiñtia Hills, bat ke Angelina Jackson ni East Khasi Hills, kilala ban penpau ya ke Jingtiben, ha ka bakila long ki ba Stet tam, ha ke Jingyo ko mare, she's pa meter ha ka sngi ba ar jong ka 5th Meghalaya Games, ar hajar ar pusau, ka blang yai mentah tura. Ha ke ni ke Jingyo ko mare Ronaldi ulala ban pendep, ya ka thong ka ba cutway second, kat bau Griezmann CH marang na Southwest Garo Hills, ulala ban pendep ha ka cutway, second bat upilo ranghang lawan balai ban pendap ya kathong ha ka khatway second kat ba ha ka yang ki kan Thei Angelina Jackson kala ban ra ya ka nam job hadien bakla pendap ya kathong ha ki khatlai second bawan ba ade 70 jindiang kabla pendap ya kathong ha ka khat sau second January katlang bat ke ibahun korba kabla la lemon pendap ha ka ju ka por kani kalong kasin ka baning kong e Ronaldi ban khor ya ka tak maksiar ha ka Meghalaya Games. Kadba ka Jackson gade ka baju yashim mentah ki babun ki lempung Rangïalehkai hapo ka Jela orwat shabaru kumju. Ka bakham so tanat ka long ba ka Jackson amtang ba gade ka Rangïalehkai hendai ka deiru ka weini ki Thei Bhabriew ha ka bahaus nam arajar arpulai wala long ka nong job ha ka Jaiñtia kop Thei Bhabriew Miss Teen Meghalaya wala long ha ka nong ba shalong.
Yesterday I ran the 100 meters. I ran the 100 meters and I got gold and I was very happy. So I did not practice much this time, about 2 weeks of practice. So I did not get the perfect timing, but I still got gold. But I'm not really satisfied. But it's okay. I'll practice again and we'll get better. The last competition I ran was in Patiala, and out there I got the timing of 12:04 something, and this time it was like 13:06. So there's a huge difference, but it's because that time I had proper training and proper practice, and now because I'm appearing for boards, I have to study, so I'm not really coming to the track very often. So that's why my timing, it changed, but I will come back soon.
Snowman malayo pa sa 41 same manikong dyan na malayo pa sa Meghalaya din. Last year na mara lang 400 per second. Tapos din mara 100 pas na ada ang same snowman same kong dyan running by sarker kan kasi paling sarbican jika juga dengan praktis nanti municipal banyak dan represent ke nasional tunjuk internasional distrik juga.